In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and save customized profit and loss reports in Xero. First, sign in to your Xero account and head straight to the reporting menu. From there, open the profit and loss report. This brings you to the standard view, but we want to tailor it to your needs. Click Edit Layout. In this editor, you can adjust how your report reads without changing any underlying data. For example, you might group similar accounts together, reorder sections so the most important figures appear first, or hide lines that aren't relevant to your audience. Take a moment to make the layout reflect the way you like to analyze performance. Clear structure now will make the final export much easier to read. Once your changes look right, click Update Layout to apply them to the report view. You should see the report refresh with your new structure, so quickly scan the headings and totals to confirm everything appears as intended. Now you're ready to export. At the top toolbar, click the PDF icon. Xero will generate your customized report as a PDF. This can take a moment, especially if the report spans a long period or contains a lot of detail, so just wait for the export to complete. When it's ready, download the file to your device. Depending on your browser settings, it may automatically save to your default downloads folder. Open the PDF and review it end to end, making sure your custom grouping, account visibility, and totals look consistent. This exported version is perfect for sharing, printing, or attaching to your financial packages. Next, let's make sure you don't have to repeat those layout edits every time. With the profit and loss report open, click Edit Layout again. Confirm the layout settings match your preference and make any final tweaks. Look back at the report structure to ensure it communicates clearly. Clean section titles and logical ordering help stakeholders follow the story of your numbers. Click Update Layout once more. Give Xero a moment to save those changes. When it finishes, exit Edit Layout. To confirm everything has been saved, reopen the Profit and Loss report from the reporting menu. You should see your customized layout already applied, so you can focus on analysis instead of formatting. By following these steps, you can export a polished, customized profit and loss report whenever you need it, and keep your preferred layout saved in Xero so it's ready the next time you open the report.